This audio is brought to you by Yakatomi, voice of the web. I wish to break free, see her in my dreams, wish that she wasn't dyke, but she still haunts me. Still feel her breath on me kegs, still want to taste her skin cause I'm a cannibal, but I know that would kill her cause I'd have ate her. No damn her, still I choke her on my unshaven curry pits, still reeling from her last caress her goodbye. Oh how this sickens me, this wretched fool's affair, I can't erase this from me mind. And now it penetrates, and every thought I feel, the anger writhes.
Say again, Deputy?
The maniac's in the mailbox!
No damn her, still I feel my stomach turn, choke back hold my head high, I'm strang as fuck. No damn her, still I choke her on my pits, yet reeling I'm strung. Damn her, still I feel my stomach turn, choke back hold my head high, I'm strang. Damn her, still I choke on her pets. I wish I was free of said person.